Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. Check out what I spotted here at Barrett-Jackson. This is absolutely worth talking about. This is raw American muscle. This is a 1961 Chevrolet Corvette Fuelie. It is unrestored and sat with the same man, Harry Tillman, for 53 years. So he bought this thing back in 1964 and held on to it all the way till 2017. This is an absolute survivor. We have to talk about it here. All right, so what exactly makes this thing special? Well, I've kind of already said it in 2 words: Survivor Fuelie. It retains its matching numbers, 283 small block engine and that original fuel injection unit. Plus, it's got the original distributor and generator. All right, guys, look at this gorgeous exterior. Oh my God, this is exactly how a 61 should present itself. And look at that paint. It's that ermine or ermine white. Love the way it looks, especially when it's paired with that matching wheel and the matching hardtop. Oh my goodness, I need it. But overall, it's clean, it's purposeful, and most of all, it's period correct. All right, guys, under the hood, it's that matching numbers 283 V8, rated at roughly 315 horsepower. It did have that factory Rochester fuel injection that came with it, and this whole thing was mated to a T10 4-speed manual transmission and posy traction rear end. So it is that eager, high-revving Fuelie character that we all know and love. Really cool to see it in person, but I've heard these things had pretty good throttle response, nice smooth shifts, and I'd imagine being in the driver's seat, listening to that high-revving small block engine would just be awesome. As we take a peek inside, look at this. Factory black vinyl upholstery. Of course, we do have that Wonder Bar radio inside this thing. You can see the original style switchgear, and look at that thin rim wheel. Absolutely classic. And near that, you'll see those classic gauges. It's very early 60s Corvette. It's so cool. It's just the right patina in the right places. All right, so now if you love Corvettes, this is absolutely one that you would want to see in a museum. This needs to be kept unrestored. It needs to be kept in this pristine condition. And how cool is it that we get to see it here today at Barrett-Jackson? I am very excited to see what this thing's gonna cross the auction block at. So stay tuned, guys. And that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you're in the market for a collector vehicle, going over to our website, ClassicCars.com. That's our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. We also have a sister website, AutoHunter.com, and that's gonna be our 7-day online auction. Again, that's it for me, and I will see y'all in the next video.